How to delete a Life360 circle. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete a Life360 circle, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting Life360 circle, you won't directly find the option to delete the circle. So the issue here is quite simple. First of all, select the correct circle that you would like to delete, right? So make sure that is the correct circle. Now tap on the gear icon from here and go to circle management. Now what you actually have to do is, once you go to circle management, there is no option to delete the circle. But to delete that circle, what you first have to do is, you need to be the admin of that circle, by the way. Then you need to remove everyone from that circle. So remove everyone who is there in that circle, and once only you are left in that circle, just leave the circle yourself. Once nobody is there in the circle, that circle will get automatically deleted. So that's how it works. You basically remove everybody from the circle except you, and once you leave the circle when you're the last person left, then that circle will get automatically deleted. This is how you can delete circle on Life360. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.